Today I'll walk you through how to import a CSV file from Google Drive to Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to seamlessly connect your data so you can create insightful visualizations in Power BI. Let's get started. First, open your Power BI dashboard. This is your main workspace where all the magic happens. If you're not familiar with Power BI, think of it as a canvas where you can paint a picture of your data. Next, on the Home tab, locate the Get Data drop-down menu and select the option labeled Web. This is where we initiate the connection to our CSV file stored in Google Drive. In the dialog box that appears, ensure that Basic is selected. Now, you will need to paste your newly constructed direct download link into the URL box. If you haven't created this link yet, make sure to set your Google Drive file sharing settings to anyone with a link to ensure smooth access. Once you've pasted the link, click OK. This action tells Power BI to fetch the data from the specified URL. If prompted for Access Web Content, select Anonymous and then click Connect. This step is crucial because it allows Power BI to access your file without requiring any additional credentials, given that you've already set the correct sharing permissions. And there you have it. You've successfully imported a CSV file from Google Drive into Power BI. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The core functionality remains the same. By following these steps, you can now visualize your data and gain insights that can drive your decisions. Remember, importing data is just the first step. The real power of Power BI lies in how you analyze and present that data. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.